Hey guys and gals, we're live at 9:55, and we're running a mini for Brian's figure lot, as seen now. 43 spots here in our mini. I'm going to copy them here. Looks like top 3 win spots in the main on this guy. I'm going to paste them in there, 1 through 43. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 5. So we're in great shape to get this underway. Here we go. Monday Night Battles. Don in the top spot for our first round. CJ round 2. Gary takes round 3 in dominating fashion. Gary takes round 4, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Don, Gary, and Don. Congratulations, guys. Here's a verification. NMPBHV. As you can see there, Don and Gary take it. I'm done at 9:56 p.m. on this President's Day. There it is. Again, here's our winners. Congrats, fellas. See you around.